In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image shapes in Wix Studio. This can be incredibly useful for giving your website a unique and tailored look, enhancing the overall aesthetic, and ensuring consistency with your brand's identity. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Wix site setup. Go ahead and open your browser to manage.wix.com and log into your account. This is where we start, in particularly the dashboard area, which acts like the command center for your site editing work. In this space, every element of your site can be customized to match your creative vision. Once you've successfully logged into the dashboard, search for and click on the option labeled Design Site. This is an essential step as it will direct you to the Wix editor, a powerful tool allowing you full control over your website's design. In the Wix editor, every change is updated in real time, meaning you can see your adjustments as you make them. With the Wix editor now open, it's time to focus on the images you want to modify. Select the image on your page that you'd like to change. Clicking on the image will open up various editing possibilities. You'll see a floating toolbar pop up near your image, providing options to bring your desired customizations to life. Next, find and click on the Design button within this toolbar. Access to this design panel is a powerful feature because it unlocks a host of styling options, including some exciting image framing options. This is where you can really start to personalize those images by experimenting with different shapes. And now, it's time to breathe some style into those images. Navigate through the available shapes and decide on one that best fits your style or theme. Whether you're interested in rectangles, circles, or something more abstract, this tool offers flexibility that can radically enhance your website's visual design. This ability to alter shapes allows your site to maintain the desired theme or brand identity effortlessly. And there you have it. With just these few simple steps, you've learned how to change image shapes in Wix Studio effortlessly. This not only helps in keeping your website visually appealing, but also in making those images align perfectly with your brand's message and aesthetic appeal. Remember, the flexibility of Wix Studio allows you to experiment with different designs until you find the perfect fit. Implement these techniques and watch your website transform into an engaging, visually appealing space. Thanks for watching, and I hope you continue to explore more creative options in Wix Studio to make your website truly one of a kind.